Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how easily you can draw one beautiful face of a beautiful woman, and I will try to keep it in mind that this video is totally dedicating to all the beginner artists, and that's why I'm keeping this video as simple as possible. If you follow all the steps one by one, not haphazardly, one by one, you can easily draw any face. So let's start. First of all, forget all the methods. So many methods are there, like Lumi's method, Rayleigh's methods, or grid method. Try to forget all of them. Just keep it in mind that you will have to follow all the steps one by one, not haphazardly, one after another, just as I am trying to do. So first of all, select 2 points at the middle of the page. So you can easily get the 2 middle points. Suppose this is the area. So this must be the middle of the page. So select 2 nearby points. Now start sketching the side line just like this. This is the hair fold. This is the forehead hair fold line I am drawing. Now, after this, the eyebrow and eye section will be there till the cheekbone area, and it will be followed by the cheek line and just then chin line. So this is the simplest structure. Okay, I hope you are getting this. So this is the simplest structure of the face. Now what you will have to do, you will have to duplicate this line into another side. So no need to worry that you will have to make the true copy of this. No face is 100% bilaterally symmetrical. So you just follow the same pattern over here. If it is not 100% same, it is okay at all. Okay, so I'm just trying to duplicate the same on the another side. So let's try. I'm telling you, if it is not symmetrical, it is more better. So this area must be my forehead area. This is the eyebrow and eye area. After that, followed by cheekbone area. Then it will be followed by one jawline and then chin. So now you got the full shape of your face. I am just making it bold so that it will be much more visible. You will have to imagine the face and try to put down the outline. If it is not single line, no issues. Just use breaking lines. It's 100% okay. Now next, see, try to draw one mid line to separate the face into 2 parts. I'm just giving this line. See, if it is not straight, if it is not good, 100% okay, because all types of faces are made by God, isn't it? So this is my imaginary midline, and I'm trying to draw the eyebrow line. So my eyebrow must be somewhere in between this area. So I'm just trying to draw the eyebrow. See, for my case, if I am doing this eyebrow and eyes with right side, it is much easier for me. You might feel that if you are starting with left side, it is easier for you. So it is 100% up to you which side you want to start with. But try to imagine the position. So this must be the position of the eyebrow, and I will try to follow the same. If it is not same, once again it is 100% okay, but try to make it a symmetry. So it is at this area. Okay. Now next is try to draw the eye fold. So just below the eyebrow there is a line called eye fold line, which will be followed by nose line. So I will go for it later on. So this is my eye fold and it will be followed by the eye. So this is my simplest eye structure. So this is the simplest eye structure. I will put down the eyelid and eyelashes will be somewhere like this. Now some waterline should be there. So waterline must be like this. Okay. Now the middle of this eye should be the iris. Okay. Now middle of this eyeball, iris should be there. I just said this is the eyeball and this is the iris, and middle of it some reflection of light should be there. So this is the simplest structure of any eye. So some tissues and glands are there, so it will be just like this. So keep it as simple as possible. Now one imaginary line should be there, which is the junction point of eye and cheek. So I have drawn one imaginary line over here. Now just try to repeat these things into other side. So one eye fold area, which will be followed by the nose, the eye fold area. There's no need to worry about the shape. Later on we can erase it and correct it. Right now focus on the structure. This eye fold area must be followed by the main eye. Okay. Size, just try to keep the size same. Now eyelid and eyelashes somewhere here. Okay, now waterline and middle of this eyeball, and then iris and reflection of light. So done with the eyes. Now see, start the nose. This eye fold, there will be two curved lines opposite of each other, and these see, one eye distance. So one eye distance is there. You just check, this is one eye distance. Okay, now stop here and try to change the curvature on opposite side. So try to change the direction of the curvature on the opposite side. Now try to draw two bumps just like this. So this is the nose area, and try to draw the shadow also. Just one replica of the above line should be the shadow. So this is our nose, and this area will be much more darker. This area must be much more darker, just like this. Okay. Now of it, the lip is there. See, lip is totally depending upon your imagination. You can use any shape, but first of all try to draw one curve just like this, which will be followed by opposite curve, same on the other side, and then follow this with another line just like this, as simple as possible. So what I have done, one curved line followed by some opposite curved line. Now follow this mid area, up, down, up, down. These are the 2 points of the lip end. Keep it as dark as possible, and then try to draw the lower lip, which you can keep thin or fluffy or as per your choice. So this is all about face structure, and if you want to draw the neckline, so try to observe the reflection of light or the end part of the eyeball. It is much better if you are following the end part of the eyeball, not exactly imaginary, just like this. So this is our neckline, and now you are free to draw the hairs. See, if you have 2 points, just keep one distance. This is totally depending upon you, and these 2 lines, just follow this curvature for getting more result. Then one more curvature, then one more curvature, again one curvature, then followed by another curvature, and then followed by another curvature. So this is the simplest face drawing. On my next video, I will teach you how to shade this face into one 3D face or realistic face. So be with me. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and keep your bell notification on, so that whenever I will upload my next part of this video, then you will get notified and you can have the watch. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.